Hello and welcome to Data Science demo. In some cases, we need to monitor access to a specific table column, having very specific values in the column. In the Data Science instance, we will need to activate the data filter. Please note that data filter is available in the proxy mode and in the sniffer mode only. To configure monitoring, I enter Audit section and Rules subsection in the web UI. Here is the audit rule I've created. Audit rule settings are almost similar to other types of rules in Data Science web UI. I have configured the traffic filtering to audit select statements directly to my specific column in my PostgreSQL instance. For this particular use case, I have configured data filter option to trigger this rule only when specific values returned by the query. Next, to test the rule, I will use the Beaver application configured to connect through Data Science proxy. I will select some data to trigger the rule. To check my rule for false positive reaction in Data Science, I will open sales table. This action must be ignored by my rule. I will check this fact later. OK. Data Science instance will check the result set to trigger the rule if configured object contains expected values. Now, let's check the auditing results. I will enter Audit transactional trails, and I see the only one event triggered by Data Science. There is no event triggered by selecting Sales table. Let's check the details of the last event triggered by audit sensitive data with the data filter condition rule. Okay. Event details include SQL query, basic information on the query, session information including database username, name of the client application used to send the query, application's host name and session duration. This particular rule uses data filter option and validates query result. Below we can see query results. By default, audit data is saved into the integrated SQLite database. We can also use an external database such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, MS SQL, or Amazon Redshift to store this audit data. Audit data can be exported to an external CM service with syslog messages. Also, we can use Data Science integrated report generator module to analyze the audited data by compiling periodic template-based reports, and Data Science can send the generated reports to your email box. Thank you for watching.